How to activate Kaspersky Total Security License. So in this video, I will show you how to do that in order to activate your Kaspersky. So first thing you need to do is you need to head over and create an account. To do so, you can head over to your new tab, search in here for my.kaspersky.com, and you should be able to successfully sign up or log in. Since I already have an account, it will direct me in here to the subscription page. If you already have an activation code, just input the 16-digit or 16-character activation code right here. Now, if you don't have an activation code, proceed to click on this purchase subscription. It will redirect you into this next part right here. Now, into this, you will be prompted to actually get or proceed to buy a plan into this page. Here is the standard plan that they have, plus plan as well as a premium plan. Just choose right here which one you wish to use. Choose in here the number of devices that you will use for this case. Then after that, proceed to click on this buy now. Now, once you have successfully bought this particular plan, you will be redirected again in here this. Just input right here the activation code sent to your email, and after that, you can click onto this add option in order to successfully add that and use the Kaspersky. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.